Warning: this video is demonstration and educational purpose only. Mishandling live main voltage may cause injuries to body or death. Inexperienced person or electrical student, do not try this work at home or anywhere. Always call professional electrician or certified electrician to do the electrical work. Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Electrical Fix. This is surface wiring for one gang one-way switch to control one light. I'm going to teach you step by step to do wiring from the one gang one-way switch, the lamp holder, and to the main distribution board. It's not complicated, follow every step to understand the wiring. If you are a beginner in electrical or electrician, this video is for you. Let's do it. Before start the wiring, let's prepare the tools. First is the wire cutter to cut the wire. Second, a hammer to hit the nails. Third, a plier to remove the nail in case. Fourth, a metal cutter to cut the lead strip. Fifth, a test pen to use connect the switch wire and lamp holder. And last, Phillips and flathead screwdriver. Now the tool is ready, let's prepare the wiring accessories and cables. For wiring accessories, first, this is Edison screw type bulb holder, and at the back of the bulb holder have 3 light terminal. Secondly, a PVC nut box to mount light switch. Third, a roll of lead strip to hold wires on naked surface wiring. Fourth, this is one gang one-way switch, has 2 switch terminal to connect wire, and the operating voltage is 240 volt and the operating current is 10 amps. And at last, a LED light bulb. The wire used for this wiring is 1.5 mm earth wire with green color. Next is 1.5 mm neutral wire with black color. Each cable has its specification written on the outer layer of the PVC. As you see, the cable size is 1.5 mm and the operating voltage for the cable. Then a red and blue 1.5 mm live wire. So why there's 2 live wire with different color? Why not use one color? I know you have this kind of question, and the answer is the red wire used to connect between switch and the main distribution board, and the blue wire connect from the lamp holder to the switch. This explanation will clear when do the wiring. Keep watch till the end. For the lamp holder, use metal cutter and cut the lamp base to allow wire inside the lamp holder after connect the wires to the terminal. Next is the PVC nut box. At the back of the nut box, there is space to allow wire run through inside and a circle ready-made hole for the conduit pipe. Now cut the space at the top. Now the wire can run inside the nut box. This is single-phase distribution board. If you want to know how to set up single-phase distribution board, check out the video link in the description below. In the single-phase distribution board, the MCB with 10 amps rating will be used for the light circuit wiring. First step, using the Phillips screw head and screw the nut box on the wood wall. Make sure screw it tightly so it holds the nut box very strong. Now insert 1.5 blue and red live wire into the nut box hole which made earlier. Then tie the 2 wire inside the nut box so the wire don't fall out from the nut box. The red wire is going to connect between the switch and the main distribution board, and the blue wire is going to connect between the switch and the light. Next, use lead strip that cut enough length and press the lead strip on the wires. Hold the lead strip and the wires while use nail and hammer it on the left side first. After that, press the lead strip again to grip the wires and hammer the nail on the right side to secure the wire on the wood surface. Then use metal cutter to cut the remaining lead strip. So this is how to do the surface wiring using the lead strip. Let's do the same step again to rest of the wires. Now pull the wire straight and use the lead strip and press the lead strip on the wires and hammer the nail on both sides. To bend 90-degree angle to the wire, make a 90-degree bend while holding the wires. Use the lead strip and press the lead strip on the wires. Straight away hammer the nail on the both sides of the lead strip in sideways. Next, pull the wire straight and hammer the wires with lead strip on it. Now you get a perfect 90-degree bend for the wires. Before move further, now for the light wire, use 1.5 mm earth and neutral wire and hammer the wire in the lead strip. So now the blue wire will go to the light wire and the red wire will go straight to the main distribution board together with neutral and earth wire. After that, insert the blue wire into the lead strip. Still there's space inside the lead strip that can hold 3 wires. Pull the blue wire and make a 90-degree bend there. Hammer the light strip to the light wire and the switch wire to make 3 junction way and 90-degree bend. Next, the red live wire, neutral wire and earth wire will go straight into the single phase main distribution board. Hammer the light strip to the 3 wires to make the perfect 3 junction way and measure the wire until to the main distribution board before cut the wires in desired length. Cut the wires after take the measurement, then insert the 3 wires into the main distribution board. Make the 3 wires thread into the main distribution board to make it nicer when hammer the lead strip to the wires. After hammer the 3 wires straight with lead strip, now lay the wires on the surface is done for the switch, light and the main distribution board. Next is do the light, switch and the main distribution board terminal connection. Let's start with the switch connection first. For the switch connection, untie the wires and cut the wires in enough length, then strip out the both wire and expose the copper. Next, twist the copper wire and bend the both copper wire to give good contact in switch terminal to prevent loose contact. Unscrew the screw terminal to allow wire inside. At the switch, there's 2 terminal. The first long terminal is L1 or light terminal, and the second short terminal is COM or common, which is supply terminal. Connect the blue wire into the L1 terminal and screw it tightly with test pen, and connect the red wire into the COM or common terminal and screw it tight with test pen. Now the switch connection is complete. Use the nut box screw and screw the switch to the nut box on both sides. The switch wiring connection is done. Now let's move to the light wiring connection. This is the bulb holder, and the back of the bulb holder got 3 terminal. Use test pen to unscrew the each of the terminal. The left is live terminal, the middle is earth terminal, and the right is neutral terminal. Cut the light wire in desired length. Strip out the each light wire and expose the copper. Now you will understand why isolate the live wire in different color. The blue wire is the light wire from the switch L1 terminal, and the red wire is the main supply wire from the main distribution board to the switch common terminal. Now connect the live, neutral and earth wire to the light terminal and screw the terminal with test pen. Then place the bulb holder on the wood surface properly and use drywall screw and screwdriver to screw the bulb holder on the wood surface. Now the light wiring connection is complete. Let's move to the main distribution board wiring connection. At the main distribution board, the left is the earth bar and the right is the neutral bar. Insert the earth wire nicely into the main distribution board until reach at the earth bar. Then strip out the earth wire and connect the earth wire into the earth bar terminal. Make sure screw the earth terminal tightly. Now strip out the neutral wire, then bend the copper wire and insert the neutral wire into the neutral bar. Use flat screwdriver and screw it tightly and arrange the wire nicely into the main distribution board. Next, strip out the live wire and bend the copper wire. Use the Phillips screwdriver to open the MCB terminal. The MCB current rating used for this light wiring is 10 amps. Then insert the live wire into the MCB terminal and screw the terminal tightly. Arrange the wire nicely. Now the main distribution board wiring connection is done. Finally, the wiring for 1 gang 1 way to control 1 light is complete. Now it's time for testing the light circuit. The main live, neutral and earth wire is connected to the main switch at the main distribution board. Plug in the electric supply and turn on. Using the test pen, the main switch live terminal have electric supply and the 10 amps MCB also have electric supply after turn on the MCB. Now screw the LED light bulb into the bulb holder. Turn on the light switch. Now the 1 gang 1 way switch wiring to control 1 light is working perfectly fine without a problem. Just play the switch by on and off, still the light circuit is working. Overall, you will understand how to do 1 gang 1 way switch wiring to control 1 light. This is surface wiring just for beginner only, before going into advanced level in wiring. So let's look into how 1 gang 1 way switch control on and off the light. As we know earlier, the 1 gang 1 way switch has 2 terminal, which is common and L1. The common terminal always have electric supply from the MCB at the main distribution board. When the switch in on position, the common terminal will send electric supply to the L1 terminal, which will light up the light. When the switch is off position, the common terminal will cut off the electric supply at the L1 terminal. This will cause the light will not light up. This is how the 1 gang 1 way switch work to control lights and fans too. So here comes to the end of the video here. Hope you guys learned something new today about electrical wiring, how to do surface wiring for 1 gang 1 way switch to control 1 light. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel, share this video and comment down below what's the next electrical video you want me to do. Also, thanks for watching and see you in next interesting electrical content videos.